What if humans could use robots to shape the future? Use robots to reach humanity's greatest potential. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in construction. At Space Construction Solutions, we push the boundaries of technology. Our autonomous drones are revolutionizing construction. Even in the most challenging environments, our autonomous drones deliver material with precision and efficiency, revolutionizing construction. This is the sunrise of a new era in construction. As the first light breaks, our autonomous UGVs carry the building blocks of tomorrow. Humanoid robots and machines work in perfect harmony with human supervisors. Morning light sweeps over the barren expanse, and the desert answers with orchestrated motion. Coordinated machines ease massive panels into place, their motors humming a metallic anthem while new walls rise from blank sands. A new era of construction begins. Our autonomous scout maps the site. Lasers trace the grid, edges true within millimeters. Build team, you're clear. On the horizon, the desert becomes ordered, machines and pallets falling into clean geometric lanes. Arctic fans lock the clay at a constant 1 degree. Blue optics trace every edge. Approved bricks roll on. Our mission? To build resilient habitats on the Moon and Mars. On the Moon's silent plain, living domes flourish, turning barren dust into harvest. Proof that human ingenuity can feed all of humanity wherever we dare to go. On the lunar plane, our robots raise tomorrow's refuge for humankind. We lay every foundation stone in service of exploration, innovation, and a boundless future for all. Chart the next chapter of human history, transforming barren worlds into thriving outposts.